Hi, you guys. We're out here in the backyard. But yes, this is Nisha B with the front yard garden. I'm gonna make me a plot back here to put this tomatoes plant right here down. And this sunflower is right here. So that's the plan. This is where it's gonna be over here somewhere. We'll let y'all know. Okay, hubby say about right now. Alright, well we're gonna show y'all how it come out later. This is how it looks now. Watch the transformation. These are the plants that's gonna go in the ground in just a minute. I got a pumpkin plant over here somewhere. Just hiding back here in the back. So we got 2 tomato plant clones. We cut the suckers off about a month ago, maybe 3 weeks. And we got little tomatoes coming. I'm not sure if they're gonna make it through the transplant process, but they're gonna go through a little shock after they get in the ground, depending on how well they like that area. But those are the ones going in the ground. Sunflower, pumpkin, 2 tomatoes. Alright y'all, this is how it's looking so far. We're going to outline it some more with bricks and wood and make it look a little more structured. This is how it's looking so far. We done cleaned all the grass up and I'm still working on getting some of the roots out. We don't get everything, but we're going to get a bit of the roots out, which y'all see. Especially these right here. That was not exactly a root. I guess I done got most of the roots out. There's some more hiding in there. So when I move the dirt over, I'll get those. That's pretty much how far we got out and got me some dirt for my next set of plants over there. Alright y'all, I'll update y'all in a minute. Been going down in the ground, look at those white roots. My dirt is from the earth.
You're moving a little too fast, okay?
My dirt is from the earth, it is not. Potting soil is some potting soil mixed in there, but it's mostly dirt just regular from the ground. That's why they look like they look. Yeah, still healthy. We're still gonna get some pumpkins. We're gonna put it down in the ground now so it can finish growing big and strong this fall. Before I put it in the ground, look at those roots. Look at them tomatoes. So it was actually growing tomatoes in this container. So all the green is moss, is not mold, but all, as you can see, because them roots are pretty white or tan. Yeah, that's algae. A type of algae. Alright, on to the next.
Can't be afraid to touch that dirt. I know I'm talking to the world. Trying to keep my stuff out of it so much. Check my channel out if you're wondering about that. But there's nothing to do with this.
Look at this green. This is my sunflower. The roots is most on this one side. It actually was 3 seeds in this cup. That's the only one that came up. I Alright, it's going down in the ground. See y'all in a minute. We are at the end. We've transplanted all plants down. They are all in the ground. We got the pumpkin over here. Excuse my hands, y'all. Y'all seen us down in that mud today. We got the sunflower right there, and we got the cherry tomatoes at the back. Bop, bop. And we got the other clones that we did over here. So this one is a cantaloupe clone. Oh, this one from seed. This one from seed. That's the clone right here. That's way bigger. It's a cantaloupe. Both of them cantaloupe. This is a volunteer seed. Actually, that's what that was. And that's our cucumber, new freshly seedling coming. We got 2 of those. And possible green onion. We haven't quite figured it out, but I didn't label it, but I'm assuming it's green onion. And we got some squash over here on this other side. In our wild backyard. Alright, we got squash here, here, and here. And we got corn right there, corn seedling. And we got a bush bean, garden bean seedling back. The other one I put down didn't make it. Alright, you guys, till next time. Happy gardening. Like, comment, and subscribe.